Hey guys, how y'all doing? Today we are actually diagnosing a noise coming from the drive belt area. This is of course a 2012 Chevy Cruze with a 1.5 Ecotec engine with turbo. We believe we might have a culprit of the water pump. As you can see here, look at that. The water pump has an issue. As it turns, you'll see the, I don't know if you can see it, you see how the belt, how the pulley is moving back and forth, like towards the engine and towards the motor mount. It's going like this, it's not, it's like this, it's like that. So you can see this right here, that's your pulley turning, and you can see it, look at that. It's moving very erratically, and too much movement on that water pump, as we can see.